Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a quick video just to show you how to withdraw from PayPal. Right, I've done so many videos on how to withdraw on PayPal, but this one I actually withdrew money. Like, I'm showing you live how to do it, so stick with me till the end of the video. So this WhatsApp number that I just showed you is a vendor number that I have, that I used to trade with. So now I've gotten a link from the vendor, right? So it's very hard to find vendors on Paxful. That's why I decided to use my old vendor's number to trade with, because when you go on Paxful and you look for vendors, it's very hard to find vendors with good rates and all of that. So right now we are on Paxful using the link that the vendor sent to me. So if you need my vendor's number, you can always hit me. You can always check the hit me up and I'll give you the number of the vendor, right, on Instagram, on my Instagram. So now the vendor has already sent a link for me to transact with, and I'm about to send him $200, right? So he has sent me an invoice, and before I click paid, I need to first send him money, right? So right now I'm just waiting for my vendor to send me the invoice, and once I send him the money through the invoice, then I can now come and click on paid. So once I click on paid, the vendor will now send money to my Paxful account. So yes, that's what we are waiting for. So now, as you can see, my vendor has already started a trade, and I've clicked on the link. This is the link. So yeah, this is the link of the trade, and I've already opened the trade, right? So I'm just waiting for him to send me the invoice for me to send the money, and then he will send the crypto to my wallet, right? So as you can see, he has already read my message on WhatsApp. The name of the vendor is Creative Touch, right? So it's a very, very fast and reliable vendor that you can use to trade if you want to withdraw your money through PayPal, because it's kind of hard to withdraw money from PayPal if you use a goods and services account, which is a business account. It's very hard. But if you have a contact of someone that you can sell your PayPal money for crypto, then it makes it easier. So that's just it. So let's wait for the invoice. So it's typing right now. He has already sent the invoice, so we need to go and pay it, right? So that's what we are going to do right now, to pay the invoice. So as you can see, the invoice has already been sent, so I just need to click on it. Once I click on it, it takes me to PayPal, and as you can see, I'm seeing the invoice here, SA invoice received pending. So all I need to do is to click on it, and then it will take me to where I can pay for it. Yeah, so this is our invoice of $200. So all we need to do is to click on this PayPal in the yellow banner, right, or box, if I can say that. Click on it, and let's wait. After clicking on it, you see that PayPal is greeting us. Then you can complete the purchase, right? Click on complete purchase, and that'll be all. So guys, that's just how to do it. you can use your PayPal balance. It's my preferred payment method. I don't use any other payment method like linking my card or linking my bank account. I don't do that. I only use my PayPal balance, right? It's safe, and I don't want to pay with my bank account. So that's just how it is. So now I've already paid him. As you can see, the notifications is showing it right here. So I've already paid him $200. So what I need to do now is I need to go back to Paxful. If we check our balance, we will see that it's no longer $600. It has to be less than that. It's now $421 because $200 has been sent out. So now what we need to do is to go back to Paxful. But before then, we need to tell him that we've already paid it. We've already paid the money. Alright, so that's what we are going to do first, so that the vendor will now send our crypto to the wallet, to our Paxful wallet. So let's go back to Paxful. So if you don't know what Paxful is a crypto wallet that you can use to buy crypto, sell crypto, and do anything you want to do crypto related. Paxful or Nuns, but it looks like Nuns is not working again. So we now have to only use Paxful, right? So you can download Paxful from Play Store, and if you use iPhone, you can also get it from your Apple Store and create your account and start trading with it, right? So that's just how it is. So he has sent all the invoices. It's not only one transaction I'm doing with him. I'm going to do about 4 transactions today. So I just want to do one of the transactions. I just want to show you one of the transactions so that you can see how to withdraw money from PayPal. The remaining transactions, I'm not going to show them here for the sake of making the video short. So that's just how it is. So now let's go back to Paxful. Leave Paxful, you need to put your PIN before you go back to your account, because it's a security measure that they used to always implement so that someone else cannot hack your account. So now if you can check my balance on Paxful, you can see 200,000 naira, right? 233,000 naira. So before the balance was 5 naira, but now it's 233,000 naira up there, on the top right corner of this top left corner of the screen and your own top right corner, right? So that's just how it is. So now I need to now leave a feedback. That's what he's asking for. So he said we should leave a feedback for him, right? So you can say anything that's positive. So let me say fast, or what should I say? Very fast, right? Very fast. And then let me correct the small mistake and then submit. So I've already submitted. So we are all good. And now we have to now continue with the other transactions that we have to do. But I'm not going to do them right now for you guys to see, but I'm going to do them right after this recording, right? For the sake of making the video short. So guys, this is the next clip I was talking about. So right now I've started a trade and I'm selling 30 USDT to a Nigerian buyer, right? Before it was a vendor, but right now it's a buyer. And I'm so sorry that I've not showed you the process, how I started the trade with the Nigerian buyer, but it's very easy. I also have the number of a Nigerian buyer, right? So the money that I've been able to withdraw to my Paxful account, I want to withdraw some of it in my Nigerian bank account. So I now decided to use a Nigerian buyer to buy my crypto in my Paxful wallet, and then in exchange of him buying my crypto from my Paxful wallet, I'm going to receive Naira in my bank account, in my UBA bank account, right? So right now, I've sent him my account details, and no, like I'm about to send him my account details. That's what he's asking for right now. He said drop your account details on my trade and all of that. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is not the first time I've been trading with him. I've been trading with him like for a very long time right now. And yeah, so I'm going to do that. So I'm telling him that I've sent the account details in our chat, right? So I'm going to send it to Paxful, and I'm also going to send it to our chat, right? So that's just how it goes. It's going to go, right? So now we are on Paxful, and we are about to put the amount we want to sell, the crypto we want to sell, and yeah. So just watch. So you can see that my balance is now back to 5 Naira because I've withdrawn the money, right? So now I'm withdrawing the last amount, which is 30 something USDT. So I'm going to send my details, my account details, to our Paxful chat right here, because it's very compulsory for us to drop our details on Paxful, right? And not on WhatsApp, right? So that's why I'm going to put my UBA account number right here on Paxful. So I've already sent the name, like the account number and the name of the account owner, right? So yeah, so let's just wait for him to pay our money, right? So it's not supposed to take time. It's just a matter of minutes, like 2 minutes maximum, right, for him to pay. So let's just be patient. So remember the process. Once you have money in your PayPal account, and if your PayPal account is a business account, you have to send money as goods and services. You can't send money as family and friends. So you have to go to Paxful, look for a vendor that is going to sell you some crypto. Once you have crypto, you can now sell it to a Nigerian vendor, a buyer, and get Naira. But if you have the number of those vendors already, it's going to make the process easier for you, which I have. So guys, if you're interested, you can just hit me up and get the numbers of those vendors. And that's just how it is. So now I'm on the last step, which is to sell my crypto to a Nigerian vendor. And we guess he has already sent the money to my UBA account, which is what I'm going to check right now. So you can see that my account balance is now 46,000. Before I had nothing in my account, but right now he has sent the money to my account, so the balance is up to 46,600 something, right? So that's just how it is. So you can see the credit alert on the screen showing right now. So he has already sent the money. So what we need to do now is, like, after he has sent the money, there's what we have. Like, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you can see action and chat. So if you press on action, you can now send Theta. That's the action that they want you to do. So you have to request a code. So if you click on request code, they are going to send you a code to your email address. You need to go to check your email address. We are all good. We are all good. Oh, I believe, yeah. Okay. All right. So I think, yeah. So we are all good. Now, I've already sent the crypto success. You've sent data to Eager. So, now we are good to go, right? We have money in our balance, in our PayPal, in our UBA account, right? So in our Nigerian account, so it's not impossible, right? It's possible. We've been able to do it. We've been able to withdraw money from our PayPal balance to our Paxful account, and from our Paxful account to our UBA account. So it's possible to do it here in Nigeria, in Africa. So you can go and open a PayPal account, and then once you have money in your PayPal balance, you can also withdraw it, right? As any other person. No, it's not impossible. So if you enjoyed the video, please do like it, subscribe, comment, and share it to any person that is interested in withdraw money from their PayPal account. And see you in the next video. Ciao.